there, Billy Tarasio from Modern Law, and today's tip of the day is brought to you via inspiration from the Netflix hit show Bridgerton. So if you've watched Bridgerton, it's a super huge hit on Netflix by Sandra Rhimes, the producer of Grey's Anatomy, and it's a period flick. And it's set in old school England. And in one of the characters, Miss Thompson, is pregnant. And the whole premise of the show is that these young ladies come out into society and have to find a husband. And she is a cousin of one of the main characters and gets shipped over to come out into society, but she's already pregnant. Now, she decides she must trick a young man into marrying her just as soon as possible, and to do it as soon as possible. That way she can pass off this baby as his. Now, don't judge her too harshly, because if you watch the whole season, it's pretty clear that no one has told these girls how pregnancy even happens. And it sounds really awful, but she's absolutely desperate, and she's told she's going to be out on her own with no one to support her. Now, this is not all that unusual. It happens often now, where paternity of a baby isn't clear, or more often than that, a couple gets together and a woman's already pregnant, and they make the decision together for the man in the relationship, or the partner who's not the pregnant one, to become the father, to become the parental figure, and they decide to put his name on the birth certificate. Now, the question is, can a woman later change her mind and claim that father B is not the father? So she's pregnant with father A, she gets together with father B gets on the birth certificate, they later break up, they go get a custody agreement and arrangement. In the custody agreement, father B is named the father. Now, what are the rights of father B and father A? And what are the rights of the mom? Can the mom decide that now she's broken up with father B, and can she go to the court and claim, hey, he's not really the dad, so I should have full rights because he's not actually the biological father. We have a paternity test. We know this is true. That's not how it works. That is not how it works. If you are on the birth certificate, if you are named the father in a court action, paternity is established. You are the legal father, and it cannot be undone. So moms and dads, the decisions that you make have serious consequences. The only exception is going to be if somebody got defrauded. Let's say father A got defrauded and he didn't know anything about it. Or let's say father B got defrauded, where like Miss Thompson, let's say the mom tricked father B into thinking that he was the father, and then he later found out he wasn't. Then he might have a way to set aside that paternity order when he later found out. So that's the way paternity works. If you haven't watched Bridgerton, it's worth your time. It's a fun one. That's it for today. Let me know your questions. Bye.